Good morning, children. Welcome to online physical science classes. This is standard 6 physical science revision class. Today we are going to revise the physics lessons 6 short answer. Yesterday I told you to revise the book exercise. Hope you have, some of you have done and reported me and some are not. I don't know why some are not doing their duties. They are not sincere to their studies. I want everyone to do your revision sincerely and honestly. Okay, children. Now we will revise the question answers. The first one: how does the moon shine? How does the moon shine? The answer is the moon does not emit light on its own. It reflects some of the light that it receives from the sun. Okay, children. The moon does not emit light on its own. It reflects some of the light that it receives from the sun. Question number 2. Name two light sources that make use of a chemical reaction. So, two sources, light sources that make use of a chemical reaction we have to answer. And the answers are candles, chemical and kerosene lamps. Candles and kerosene lamps make use of this uh, chemical reactions. Okay, children. Next question: what are fluorescent substances? What are fluorescent substances? For this, the answer is substances that emit light after absorbing light are called fluorescent substances. Substances that emit light after absorbing light are called fluorescent substances. Question number 4. What are transparent, translucent and opaque materials? What are transparent, translucent and opaque materials? Give one example each. So the answer is transparent substances allow light to pass through them. Example, water. Transparent substances will allow the light to pass through them. Example is water. And substances, translucent substances allow light to pass them only partially. Okay, only part amount of light will be allowed to pass through them. Such substances are called translucent substances. And example is tracing paper. Tracing paper is the example for translucent material. Then opaque substances do not allow light to pass through them. Opaque substances do not allow light to pass through them. Example is stone. Example is stone. Okay, children. So this is about the transparent, translucent and opaque objects. Question number 5. When do eclipses of the sun and moon occurs? When do eclipses of the sun and moon occurs? Eclipses of the sun and moon can occur only when the moon, the earth and the sun lies in one straight line. Eclipses of the sun and the moon can occur only when the moon, earth and the sun lies in one straight line. So only they are in straight line, eclipses will be formed. Do you understood this short answers, children? Okay. So only 5 short answers. Revise these 5 short answers thoroughly and write a test. Get corrected from your parents and report me with the photocopies of your test without fail, children. Thank you. Meet you again in the next class. Prepare well for the upcoming exams, children.